Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. I hope you're enjoying them. On today's episode, we're going to continue looking at pictures of the progress that I made on the Super Bee back in 2013. So I hope you enjoy it. Hey Bobby, what do you want, girl? You're a little whiny today. That means you want something. What do you want? Bo's hanging out with me in the Up-N-Runnin studio today. Where are we going? Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at a 1964 Thunderbird convertible. I'm looking forward to seeing it. I like these cars a lot, and hopefully we can bring it home. So enjoy the ride. It's about 2 hours away. Alright, no Thunderbird as of right now, but who knows, that can change. Anyway, let's take a look at some pictures of the Super Bee. for watching another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to continue looking at some pictures of the Super Bee, and we will, what are we going to do, Pretty? We got to think about this stuff before we say it. My girl Bo is down here. On today's episode, we're going to continue looking at the pictures of this. God, I can't say this today. Alright, thanks for watching another episode of Up-N-Runnin.